Hello everyone. This is a short video where I show you how you can add Tailwind to your React component library. This is a continuation of our series where we create a component library in React with rollup, and a lot of people wanted to know how you can add Tailwind to this because the original uh, video only supported inline CSS. So this is the on the left side I have is the project I made in the video. So this is like the basic component, completely basic. Like there's only okay. So let me show you the folder structure first. In the folder structure we have the source folder, then the inside of it we have components, then a button, and in this button I have just a simple uh, JSX button, and on the tail button I also have a simple button, a simple div, sorry, but I didn't really made it a button, so I just wanted to show that I can use Tailwind with this. So uh, yeah, let me just show you what you need to add to this. Okay, so the folder structure and everything is the same. Here the stories are also the same, so I'm just gonna close this one and just show you this one. So you're gonna go through the simple installation process from the Tailwind documentation, and where you install Tailwind post CSS and auto prefixer. It's in, if you don't have like the post CSS things showing here, you need to go to post CSS. So do all of this. The only main thing you need to do is here, where they show you that you need a main.css file. Instead of that, you can just have an index.css file, and all you need to do is import this index.css file in the index.ts of the components folder. So this is all you need to do. A lot of people have bugs regarding this, that their Tailwind doesn't work. That it's because of this. You don't import the Tailwind styling in your component library. So you need to do this with this. Okay, that's one thing. Then this is also shown in the docs. You can see that there is just HTML and JS files. That's because that is for the installation in a completely plain project. So you just need to change the file types extensions here to JavaScript, TypeScript, JSX, TSX, and MDX. This was in the docs. So the TS config is the same as in that project. Now when you install the Tailwind dependencies, you will have it in the dev. You should have it in the dev dependencies, and as you can see, there are no dependencies in this project. Also, I only have React in the peer dependencies. You can also add Tailwind to this, Tailwind and prefix auto prefixer and post CSS here also if you want. And the only other thing that you need is this plugin, post CSS. You can install this rollup plugin post CSS. It's this one. YouTube doesn't let me leave links in the description sometimes because I don't have 1,000 subscribers so far. So please subscribe to the channel if you want to help out the channel. So the rest is pretty simple. You just include this plugin here, and in the config you wanna just pass in the post css config.cj .js file. You can leave the name here, but .js here, but even if but it was giving me some error, so I changed the name to CJS here. Okay, so that's this. Now for the building command, build command, I'm using the same build config as CJS rollup -c. So minimize true extension.css. Now the rest is the same, guys. So it's pretty simple. Here, as you can see, I have it. I have the project running in Storybook, and as you can see, it has our button. As you remember, I didn't give it like a button element, so this is not really a button. It's just a div. That's pretty much it. Yes, like one more thing, I will install this in a project and show that it's working. All right, as you can see here, this is on dark mode. I have installed this project, this component library in a white project. I also hosted it, deployed it on npm, which you can learn how to do in the previous video. And yes, as you can see here, like it's on npm. Here it is. I don't know why. Oh, I remember. Yeah, I deleted it. Yes, when I after testing, I deleted it. So it's only installed in this project. But you can test it out. If it doesn't work, you can leave a comment. If you find a solution about why it is not working in your project, you can leave in the comments for so other people can read it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.